So the question read that the following measurement were taken with a level. The instrument have been moved after the third and the sixth reading. The reading are as follows. We have 2.200, 1.62, 0.90, 2.25, 2.84, 1.280, 0.600, 1.960, 1.450. The RL of the first point is 100 meters. The question: rule out a page of level book and enter the above reading. Calculate the RL of all the points. Apply the check. So here we draw our table. It should have 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first value automatically is a benchmark, which is 2.20, and we are told that it was shifted after the third and the sixth reading. So we note that we should note the third reading will be our foresight, and the fourth reading will be a backsight. So we go 2.20, this one. Then we go to 1.620, that one is intersight. After that, we go to foresight. I told you that third reading is the foresight. Third reading is the foresight, and the fourth one is the backsight. So we move to our third reading with 0.980. Then we move to our backsight, which is 2.250. After that, we go to intersight. Which is 2.840. Then the sixth reading is foresight. The sixth reading will become foresight, and the seventh reading will become our backsight. Seventh reading will become our backsight. Then the remaining one, all others that are remaining will be intersight, except the last one, which will be foresight, 3.71. So after you have arranged all this one, you find the sum of backsight, which is 5.05. Then intersight, we don't find summation of intersight. We find summation of foresight. We found that is 3.71. Then we calculate. We show if the reading was a fall or a rise from 2.20. If we subtract 2.20 minus 1.62, we will get negative 0.580. Negative 0.580. That means that negative 2.20 minus this one will give you 0.580. That one, it has moved from higher point to lower point. That means that it is a rise. Then we goes on from 1.620. The next one is 0.980. And we know that 1.620 to 0.980 it has dropped. That means that one is a it has dropped. That means that one is a rise. Then after that we move to backside. The first backside from the original backside is 2.250, 2.52, 2.250. From 2.250 it has moved to 2.840. 2.25 is less than 2.84. That means that it has dropped. That indicates a fall, which is 0.590. After that, 2.840, we move to 1.280. From 2.8 to 1.2, it has dropped. That means that one is a rise, and is a rise by 1.560. After that, we move to the second backside, which is 0.600. From 0.600 to the next reading, which is 1.960, there is it has increased. That means that one is a fall of 1.360. So 1.360. So after 1.960, the reading, we move to the last reading, which is 1.450. 1.9 is greater than 1.4. So that means that it has dropped. A drop indicates a rise, and that is a rise of 0.510. If you sum backside, you will get 5.05. Foresight, you will get 3.71. Fall, you will get 1.950. Rise, you will get 3.290. Then after that, after you have calculated fall and rise, we deal with after that we deal with after that we will deal with, just a minute, after calculating fall and rise, we deal with reduced level. Reduced level, we are given a reduced level to be 100.00. That one is the first reduced level. So in a rise, we add, and in the fall we subtract. So 100.00 minus 0.58, it will give us 100.58. 100.58 minus 100.58 plus 0.640 will give us 11.22. 11.22, we have moved to a fall. That means that we subtract 11.22 minus 0.590, we'll get 100.63. 100.63, we add, because it's a rise, 1.560, we get 102.19. After that, we move to a fall, which is 1.360. We subtract, we get 100.83. After that 100.83, we move to rise. That means that we add 0.510, we get 101.34. 101.34. 101.34. So after we have done all this, there is a place for remark. Our first remark will be benchmark BM. Our second remark will be on the second on the second backside, and we'll call it change point. And the third one will be on the third backside will be change point. So after we have done all this, we go to arithmetic check. Arithmetic check. Arithmetic check. We confirm if this information here are true. So we do it like this: summation of bs minus summation of fs must be equal to summation of rise minus summation of fall, and must be equal to summation of last reduced level minus summation of first reduced level. This first one we get, if you subtract, you'll get 1.34. The second one will also get 1.34. Third one 1.34. That means that these values are correct.